The Fujian aircraft carrier's recent smoke-filled startup raises questions. Is this its final sea trial, or direct handover to the Navy? All signs point to a historic moment approaching for China's naval forces. Since the military parade concluded, enthusiasts' attention has remained fixed on this colossal vessel. The latest developments reveal the Fujian has activated its propulsion system, with wisps of smoke rising from its funnel seemingly announcing to the world, China's third aircraft carrier is poised to officially set sail. According to a navigation warning issued by the Shanghai Maritime Safety Administration on September the 8th, special traffic control measures will be implemented in the deep water channel at the Yangtze River estuary on September the 10th, particularly restricting outbound vessels between 1,415 and 1,630 hours. Such arrangements typically ensure the safe departure of large vessels. Given the Fujian's recent activities, virtually all observers concur that this traffic control's main subject is indeed the long-awaited Fujian. Photographs captured by netizens reveal smoke emanating from the carrier, indicating its boilers have been activated and its propulsion system is undergoing final testing preparations for departure. This power system debugging is standard procedure before an aircraft carrier's departure. By burning heavy fuel oil to generate high-temperature, high-pressure steam, it not only powers the steam turbines, but also supplies electricity throughout the ship. Judging by the intensity and color of the smoke, the power system debugging should be in its final stages. The lighter smoke color and prolonged duration indicate high combustion efficiency and stable system operation. As China's first domestically designed and constructed electromagnetic catapult-equipped aircraft carrier, the Fujian's significance is self-evident. This colossus, with a full load displacement exceeding 80,000 tons, ranks among Asia's largest and most advanced warships. It not only represents the pinnacle of China's shipbuilding industry, but also demonstrates the Chinese Navy's resolve to venture into the deep blue. The transition from ski-jump takeoffs to electromagnetic catapults signifies not merely a technological upgrade but a qualitative leap. The electromagnetic catapult system provides carrier-based aircraft with enhanced takeoff capabilities, enabling full-fuel, fully armed launches that significantly extend operational range and strike capacity. Unlike the AC electromagnetic catapult system used by the United States, the Fujian innovatively employs a medium-voltage DC power supply system, a technology leading the US by an entire generation. This medium-voltage DC system offers advantages such as high energy conversion efficiency, compact size, and exceptional reliability, demonstrating remarkable stability in practical testing. According to relevant data, the Fujian's electromagnetic catapult system achieves a failure interval exceeding 1/4000, far surpassing the 1/400 level of the U.S. Ford-class carriers. Reviewing the Fujian's sea trial journey, since its maiden voyage last May, it has completed 8 sea trials by May this year, accumulating 117 days of testing at sea. These tests encompassed critical systems including propulsion, power supply, and deck operations, with results exceeding expectations across all performance metrics. Notably, the crew has achieved 100% independent operation of the electromagnetic catapult system and completed full-cycle testing of consecutive aircraft launches and recoveries. During the most recent sea trial, the Fujian set a record of 60 launches in a single day, a figure approaching the operational standards of U.S. Nimitz-class carriers. Meanwhile, our carrier-based aircraft fleet stands ready. The J-15T, J-35 stealth fighter, and KJ-600 early warning aircraft have all made public appearances during naval parades. Following parade conventions, these aircraft have formally entered service, awaiting their deployment aboard the Fujian. Among them, the J-35 stealth fighter, as a fifth-generation carrier-based aircraft, boasts comprehensive combat capabilities comparable to the US F-35C. The KJ-600 early warning aircraft, meanwhile, can provide carrier strike groups with a detection range exceeding 500 kilometers, significantly enhancing battlefield awareness. Compared to the construction and testing processes of other nations' carriers, the Fujian's progress has been remarkably swift. From commencement of construction to sea trials took only 3 years, with costs kept under 50 billion yuan. In contrast, the U.S. aircraft carrier USS Kennedy has been under construction for a decade without completion, with its budget severely overrun by $13 billion. More impressively, the electromagnetic catapult technology employed on the Fujian has demonstrated higher reliability and energy conversion efficiency in actual testing, even surpassing that of the US's most advanced Ford-class carriers. Although the UK's Queen Elizabeth-class carriers are built relatively quickly, they still rely on traditional short takeoff, arrest systems, resulting in significantly lower aircraft sortie rates compared to electromagnetic catapults. France's Charles de Gaulle carrier is constrained by its nuclear propulsion system's insufficient power, preventing the installation of an electromagnetic catapult system. It can be said that the Fujian has reached the world's top level in the field of conventionally powered aircraft carriers. During its over 3-month port stay for maintenance, the Fujian-class carrier remained active. External observations reveal workers erecting scaffolding to clean and maintain the smokestack and radar systems, while deck exercises involving carrier-based aircraft models were conducted. These details indicate the vessel has completed all testing phases and is now in its final, finishing touches stage, awaiting an opportune moment for formal delivery to the Navy. In the extensive promotional videos of the Fujian recently aired by CCTV, while no direct catapult launch footage was shown, details such as the reflection of J-15T fighters flying over the deck and ballast cart catapult tests suggest the electromagnetic catapult system is ready for action. Notably, recent footage shows the anti-skid coating in the deck landing zone has been repainted, and the arresting gear system has undergone final adjustments, all preparatory steps for live aircraft landings. So, is this Fujian's 9th sea trial, or its direct delivery to the Navy? Analysis from multiple angles suggests direct commissioning is more likely. First, drawing from the historical experience of the Liaoning and Shandong, carriers typically undergo 8-9 sea trials before commissioning. The Fujian has already completed 8 trials covering all major systems. Second, its accompanying carrier-based aircraft have officially entered service. Finally, selecting a special date for commissioning would better highlight the carrier's significance. September the 18th or the period before National Day are both plausible delivery dates, each carrying significant symbolic weight. Given the current maritime security landscape, the Fujian is likely to achieve operational readiness immediately upon delivery, joining the Shandong and Liaoning to form the core of China's carrier strike group system. The addition of the Fujian marks China's official entry into the era of 3 aircraft carriers, significantly altering the naval balance of power in the Western Pacific. This triad configuration enables the Chinese Navy to maintain at least one carrier on constant combat readiness, enhancing its capacity to safeguard national maritime rights and overseas interests. Notably, the Fujian may join the Southern Theater Command Navy, forming a dual carrier arrangement with the Shandong that substantially boosts patrol and deterrence capabilities in the South China Sea. Military analysts suggest the Fujian will likely be based at a naval facility in Sanya, equipped with dedicated berths for large carriers and comprehensive logistical support. Future operational scenarios envision the Fujian carrier strike group incorporating Type 055 destroyers, Type 052D destroyers, Type 054B frigates, and attack submarines, forming a multidimensional maritime combat system. As the Fujian sails out of the Yangtze River estuary, China's vision of a blue water navy is steadily becoming reality. This marks not merely the delivery of an aircraft carrier, but a demonstration of a nation's comprehensive strength, a significant milestone in China's journey from a maritime power to a maritime superpower. The Fujian's future holds great promise. Alongside the Liaoning and Shandong, it will form the core strength of the Chinese Navy, making vital contributions to safeguarding national sovereignty and maritime rights. In the foreseeable future, the Chinese Navy will build upon 3 aircraft carrier strike groups as its backbone, supported by modern large destroyers, frigates, and submarine forces, to form a maritime power capable of effectively defending national interests and maintaining global peace. The formal commissioning of the Fujian marks a new historical phase in the development of the Chinese Navy, representing a solid step toward the goal of building a world-class navy.